Hey guys, well, I just watched Magical Charlotte's YouTube, so I thought I'd reply to her before I go on. So thanks for saying I seem grounded and intelligent. The intelligent part and the grounded part kind of makes me laugh because I don't know if that's me, but cool. Oh, and by the way, for the records, my name's Lily. Your video was so funny. I've just seen a woman's boobs. It was really funny. Man, I'm so jealous of your accent. I wish I had it. But yeah, good luck in London and at Nando's. Yeah. Moving on. Last night I went to life group with my church, or for my church, because I'm Christian, but I wouldn't say I'm perfect. I'm far from it, but yeah. Excuse me. Then I stayed at my friend Alana's house. She's my best friend. We're really tight, like real close. And I ate some McDonald's, like you, Charlotte, and I couldn't handle it. I thought I could while I was eating it, but I got back to her place and I couldn't. So, you know, I made sure that didn't stay in me, and like I flushed the toilet and stuff, but then I got up to go toilet in the middle of the night because I stayed the night, and it was sitting there, and I was like, holy crap, I wonder if anyone saw this. And then I was thinking, okay, I'm so glad I got up to go toilet, because I don't usually get up to go toilet in the middle of the night. You know, it must have been something. But yeah, it was real strange. I'm so confused how that happened, but anyway. And then again in the morning I had some crispy noodle things, like not actual noodles, but they're like kind of like chips or crisps or whatever, and I thought I could handle that too, but turns out I couldn't. So I went off and had a shower, and you know the rest. And then so I got home, and then I got a text from Alana asking if I had made myself sick, and I was like, holy crap, how does she know? Then she was like, flush the toilet next time, and I was like I did, but for some reason I think it just comes back up or something, I don't know, but that's so embarrassing. But she knows about all this stuff. She knows I do this video thing and stuff, and she's such an amazing friend.